Peter, please. I need your help. Please. The doctor said he would not attend to my wife until 200,000 naira is deposited. Peter, please, I don't want anything to happen to my wife and my unborn child, please.
God forbid. See, my brother, nothing will happen to them as long as my God lives.
Amen. But you have to help me. Help me. Please, Peter.
See, I don't know how to explain this to you. I just stocked my shop now. I don't have much money on me. I wish I could help. I'm sorry.
So in other words, you're not going to do anything for me. You're just going to allow my wife and my unborn child die.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bianca, please come. My conscience will not allow me watch you just go like that. I have 20,000 naira in my shop now. I can give it to you. Only if you promise to return it by month end.
Peter, I promise you I would return the money before month end. Please help me. Please.
Give me a minute.
No way.
No other way. You tell me, which other way do you think of?
I can't. My dad, never. I cannot do it.
That is your only ticket, your dream, our future. Our future. Or do you want to leave everything for Bianca?
Can you stop mentioning that name?
Then do as I say. Or you continue to hear of that name to the rest of your life. Not even only hearing that name would take your peaceful place. Come on, Adana, do this thing. We don't have time. We do not have enough time.
Okay. Assuming I agree to carry on with this stupid plan of yours. How do you intend to do it? Who do you think we can trust so well to do it without any evidence or traces pointing towards us?
The only person we can trust is us. Yes, we can trust ourselves. We are the only people that can do it. You can't trust anyone. You cannot. People snitch. Okay? What do you want Bianca to do this? Come on, we don't have that luxury of time. Adana.
Cheers.
Let me think.
Papa, don't worry about me. The princess cannot scare me.
Bianca, why are you this stubborn? How many times will I tell you that marrying the king is not a good idea? You see, the man is very old and close to his grave. You are the prime of your life, the peak of your life. You need a man in the same age range with you, not an old man. No.
I've made up my mind, Papa. I have made up my mind. He is my choice. If the king likes, let him be 1,000 years old. I will marry him. Nobody can remove this food from my mouth.
Bianca, stop this foolish illusion of yours. Stop it. Not all that glitters is good. Hey!
Papa, allow me to be the judge of that. I will go and see for myself. Let me be the judge of that.
Bianca, what an elder sees sitting down. If a child likes, let him climb the tallest mountain. Mount Everest, he or she will not see it. Huh? Bianca, don't say I did not warn you. I have been warning you right from onset. Meanwhile, go in there and prepare me food. I'm very hungry.
Papa Biko, I'm tired. I just got back home. Biko, I'm tired. Let me catch some sleep.
So you'll be sleeping while I'm hungry?
Papa Biko, I'm tired.
Huh? That doesn't work.
Mwabweze, we've heard all that you have said. We've heard you. But I want you to know something here. That land is also important to us as it is to you. We the elders will look into that matter. We will look into the matter, am I right?
See, I am tired of hearing that. We the elders will look into the matter. Every time you look into the matter, what is going on? You've never looked into the matter for one day. Eh? Sell this land, sell off this land in question, sell it off and give me my own portion of my own part of the money. I need my own money. I need money to do something. I need it. But you only give it to me now. You go ahead and marry the princess. I've had enough of this.
Mwabweze, learn how to calm down. Calm down. There is no wisdom in violence, okay?
Hey, Biko, Odirom Kodun, I am tired of calming down. Odirom Kodun at all. Yeah? What's this all about now? What's going on? Can you imagine? You people should sell off this land now. Eh? If you don't have a good buyer, tell me, I'll get a good buyer for us.
Calm down. Calm down, please.
Yeah, I'm okay. Mwabweze, enough of that rubbish. We have been dealing with you patiently because of your late father. Mwabweze, you cannot push us like little children. Listen, you can just go ahead and do your worst. Nothing happens. Mba, let me tell him.
Is that all you have to say?
In Adon.
But I should go ahead and do what I can do and do my worst. Right? Hey.
What will you do? No, what will you do, Mwabweze?
Okay. Watch your head, now. From now on, nobody should blame anyone. I'll do what is in my mind. I'll do that which is in my mind.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do anything.
Calm down. Calm down. You're just shouting. You have to be gentle with him.
Listen.
No. Do you know what I'm saying? So, the documents to that land are in their possession.
Oh.
To avoid had I know.
Dikeh, leave that.
To avoid had I know.
Leave that matter.
Dikeh, listen. Let me tell you something you do not know.
Okay.
No matter the strength and the size of manhood, there is no way you can break down the walls of womanhood. Take note of that.
Dikeh, listen to me. Mwabweze is only a backing door. He cannot do anything.
Manhood na womanhood beregini ogo na agwa. Nah, this man I like kind ojo. You like party so much. Ichi ojo.
Hello, Mr. Richard. I called to let you know that I am finally interested in that loan. As a matter of fact, I need that loan as soon as possible. Yes, the documents are intact and they're with me. I should bring it to the office. Okay. One more thing, please. Like I said earlier, I need this loan as soon as possible. When I'm coming to your office, I will get all the necessary documents that you want. Thank you.
and help me. Come, please. Please, come and help me, please. Please, someone was knocked down by a car, please. I cannot carry him, he's very urgent. Please come now, where is your stretcher? Please.
You don't have stretcher here.
Nurse, please now, this is emergency, please.
Are you shouting? So you're shouting?
No.
Okay.
Nurse, please, come and help me. Thank you.
I've heard. You're going down.
Come now. Hurry. Nurse. How is he doing?
He's unconscious for now.
Why is the doctor not here to attend to him? That man's life is at stake. What should be more important than saving a life?
Oga, the doctor is busy at the theater. He will attend to you as soon as possible.
But nurse, this man is dying. Please, people should help.
If I may ask, are you a family member or just a friend? Because I don't understand why you're disturbing me like this.
Well, none of the above. I don't even know him. I'm just a good Samaritan. So please, nurse, help me. Please, help me.
I think that man is dead. He's no longer breathing. But I'll call you first.
Nurse, no, it's not possible.
Okay.
Nurse. Can I follow you?
Follow me to your house.
Nurse.
Mr. Onyeka.
How did you get in here?
Yeah.
The money, yeah?
That is 200,000 naira. Please, doctor. Do everything within your powers to save my wife and my child. Please.
Okay, we will commence with operation immediately. Okay? You just take this and deposit it with the cashier.
You leaving? Please let nothing happen to my wife and child. Please.
Alright, deposit this to the cashier. Mr. Onyeka, hold on. Nurse, did you see the man that just passed through my office now? I mean the man that just passed through here now. He dropped his money.
I'm not saying that.
Are you serious? Okay, deposit this money immediately, okay?
Madam. Come. Bring my usual.
One present.
Yeah, you know.
How are you? Oh, like.
That's your usual.
I know you're normal.
The big one, not there.
No. Just don't have to. This one, your face is like this.
Madam, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Everything is okay, I'm fine. No problem.
I'll be with you now.
Oh, thank you. My princess. Will you marry me?
Breezy, are you serious? Like, do you want to marry me?
Yes, I'm very serious. I want to be your king. And you, my queen. Please marry me.
Of course I'll marry you. Yes, I will marry you.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
From your heart?
Yes, from my heart.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Hello? Papa? Papa? Hello, Anna, where? Who is here?
Who is that? Who is there?
Good day, my lady. Igwe sends his gifts for you. We hope you will like it.
You mean the king?
Yes, I mean the king.
Oh, yes. Yes, tell him I love them.
Okay, I'll take my leave.
Okay. Please send my regards to him.
Okay.
Ah, no, it's not possible. It's not possible. No, it's not possible. Is there anything you can do to help him? Please, that man cannot just die like that.
The only thing I will tell you now is to go to the nearest police station and make a formal report, or you look for his family member as soon as possible. So you also have luck. Go now, why are you standing here?
Hey!
Why is he standing here? You can go now. Go to the police station. Sorry, hard work.
Take these things out of my house. I will never accept your marriage with the Igwe. I will never. Take it away from here.
Papa, Hey, Biko, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you bought me clothes, shoes, or even something as cheap as an earring? When was the last time, Papa? Do you even care to know how I feel when I cannot wear the things my mates wear? No, you don't care. I will not return anything. These gifts, they were given to me by my husband-to-be.
I forbid you for calling him your husband-to-be, because he will never be.
Sooner or later, he will become my husband, and you will have no choice but to accept him. It is my life, not yours, Papa. I don't care how many more miles he has before he goes to his grave. The thing is, I will marry the king. I will marry the old man.
And then you will not have my blessing. You will not have even a drop of my blessing.
Who cares about blessings, Papa, when I'm getting married to the king? Who cares about blessings? Yeah. Oh, Chim, you know, for me, blessings. Hey, man, Papa, these things are fine. This old man, Macho, this old king, hey! He knows how to catch the heart of every woman. Look at the things he bought me. He wants to spoil me. The king wants to spoil me. This king wants to finish me with love. I can't wait to try them on. Igwa Macho. On he even chides more than all these young boys of nowadays.
Honestly, that is how it should be, Ibe. This move is not overdue, and we are solidly behind you.
Your Majesty, you have my support, and the support of all the villages under my care. This is a good one. It is unheard of, unimaginable, and totally unacceptable that our own Igwe should be without a woman.
Oh, yes. You have said it all. I am happy. I am so happy that Igwe had decided to do the right thing. I'm excited. I've never seen a kingdom without a woman figure. 2 heads, they say, is better than 1. Ours will not be a different one.
Well, my father used to tell me 2 good heads are better than 1, not just any head. Well, nevertheless, I just want to appreciate both of you for your support for me on this issue. And this your support has been from beginning. And that's the long duration of friendship. Thank you so much. Now that I have shown you my bride, and a beautiful one at that, I want to let both of you know that I'm going to hand over all the preparation for the wedding ceremony to you. I trust that you will do a good job. I trust both of you to do a very good job. But if you need any other thing, please don't hesitate to let me know.
You have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to worry about. We shall deliver your bride to you in one piece.
Beautiful brides need beautiful things. Where is this Bring the drink. All these long speeches they made, don't you know they need a beautiful drink?
Ikwe! This is absolute royalty in display.
How are you? I'm fine, I'm okay. Where's my nephew? The nurses are attending to him. Sister, where is my husband? Since I've put to bed, I've not heard from him. His phone is even unavailable. What is happening? I feel there is something wrong somewhere. My husband is not fine. He's unlike him. He has waited so much for our baby, and now the baby is here. He's nowhere to be found. Where is my husband?
Relax. Relax. You're getting yourself worked up. I'm sure he's out there working or he's trying to raise some money for you. He called me to bring you some food. He'll be here soon. Relax.
No. There's something wrong somewhere. There's something wrong somewhere. I want to see my husband. I want to see him.
Now you're getting yourself worked up and you know it's not good for you. Relax. I got some food and I know you're going to love it. You need to eat. Yeah? You'll be here soon. Relax.
Bianca. Where do you go now? Bianca! What is this? Chicken. Bianca! Huh? Is it that? Where did Onyeka get this kind of money? Eh? Onyeka Murudiga Nuna. Come on. I'm looking for small money to go to Ghana for the internet. And Onyeka is packing this money here. Onyeka. Ifama! Ifama! Can I work? Oli! My senior brother! Ifama! Who is my senior brother? Nobody's around. Wait, let me be sure. This is morning. We can have this money. And all of us are suffering in this house. Ebuka. Ebus. Sit here, I go. There's no need of even packing my things.
Onyeka, why? Why do you have to leave me in this cruel world? Onyeka, you promised me that you're going to be here. Tell me, how am I supposed to take care of our son alone? How?
Please, it's okay. You know you need to be strong so you can take care of the boy. Please.
No, Onyeka failed me. Onyeka, you failed our son. He said he's going to be here for us. He said he's going to protect us. Oh, my husband is nowhere to be found. I need my husband.
It's okay. I need
my husband.
Stay strong. You still have your baby.
How am I supposed to be strong without my husband? Just tell me how am I supposed to be strong?
I just need my husband. I need Noyenga. I need Noyenga. Somebody should call my husband. This is not what he promised me. This is not what he promised me. I need him. I need him. Call my husband for me. It's okay. It's okay.
For how long will you keep avoiding me? It's just both of us in this house.
Dad, for as long as you choose to go on with your plans to get married again, I will never accept any other woman in this palace.
Well, it's my fault. I spoiled you. I know I am to be blamed, and I'm responsible for the woman you have become today. I gave you the chance. But I'd like to ask you a question. Is it too much to ask for your support for just one thing that I find very important?
Dad, I have always supported you. I have.
How about now? Would you support me? Adana! Adana!
Come to think of it, which of you here will be happy when Igwe or any man older than you will come to propose to your young daughter? To marry your young daughter? For crying out loud, Bianca is still in her prime age, and I have a lot of plans for her. Certainly, marrying Igwe is not part of it. And, in fact, it will ruin the whole thing.
I know. It all depends on the angle you are looking at it.
And which other angle will I look at it?
See, this is a golden opportunity that has come. That a good thinking man can afford to embrace without giving it a second thought. Oh no, I want to believe you have to think about it very seriously.
Oh no, I don't know why you are so much affected in this.
You don't know?
Yes. Bianca, your daughter, has given her consent.
Oh.
Besides, you know what it is involved. You know that you cannot reject the Igwe's proposal. You are the Onowu of this kingdom. You know what is involved. The penalty for refusing the king.
The king has sent us here to negotiate on his behalf the date for the royal bride, and then bring it to the palace according to the tradition. So what are we talking about?
Well, the decision is not for me to make. Whenever he deems fit, let him do what he likes. But let every Dick, Tom and Harry know that I do not support this marriage from the onset. I did not support it from the onset. Meanwhile, when you have enjoyed yourself staying under my orange tree, you can go. I am busy in my barn.
No.
I'm busy in my
It will cost you suspension.
I am busy. No, don't touch. Don't touch that.
Just take a look at this. See what I found in my room.
Where is the money?
The money is gone. Everything.
Hey. Ebuka found the money and left with it.
Exactly. Exactly. Oh, what is it?
Did he tell you where he got the money from?
No, he did not tell me anything. No, nothing.
Hey.
I noticed you've been worked up recently, so I thought a cup of tea would help relax your nerves. Yeah.
Ah,
I made it just the way you like it.
thanks.
What? Don't you like it?
I do. I like it.
Go on, have it, so it doesn't get cold.
I'm just wondering, what are you doing this for? Is there something you want from me?
Oh, God. Nothing. Look, I just want us to go back to the way we used to be. I want us to go back to normal. I still want to be that daddy's little angel.
Really? Wait, does that mean you're okay with me being married?
Sadly, yes. If that makes you happy, it's fine.
I'm happy. Why not?
Go on, have your tea. You know, cold tea upsets your system. So.
Oh, yeah, right. I'm sorry.
It's fine now. I'll get enough to clean.
How did he go? Come on, talk to me. How did he go?
The stupid teacup slipped.
What? How?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
The cup just slipped from his hand just when he was about to take a sip.
Oh, no. This isn't a good one. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. See, we are going to try again, okay? I mean, maybe the second time it might work, okay? Failure is the first step to success. So we have to keep trying, okay? We're going to try again. Do you understand? Good.
Can I give you all?
See, we have to try again. Do you understand?
Top alive! Eat there! This is good. I like women with big breasts. But this one, hey, for the kid. Hello. It's ringing. It's ringing. Hey, 5G network. Hello, downloading. Downloading 99%.
Yeah.
Honor. I will die here.
Excuse me. Please back off. He's taking.
Tonya, I have to sit down. Join us. There's enough to. I called you. Say there's enough to drink, and you are here.
Ebuka, let's go.
Go
Follow
where?
me.
Follow you how? Eh? Why would you? Why are you going to live here? You just came. I said, come, let's make merriment, and you are here now. Only you. Can you finish the money?
Calm down. Don't worry, eh? When we are done with
I said he's my boyfriend. Can't you hear me?
But I'm not agreeing that with you. Don't worry. Your guy has enough. And he's generous. Can't you see?
Didn't you hear what he said? Carry me. Nanny, let's go. Didn't you hear what he said? That I have plenty. Yeah. And that I'm generous. She too has plenty. And she's generous.
Ebuka. Okay, don't worry. You meet me at home. You will meet me at home.
Are you
don't
going?
Worry. No, I'm staying.
You are going. Don't be angry. Come and cut breast here.
Yeah.
Come and cut breast and add to your 2G. This one is 5G. Yeah. This one is a 4G. Yeah. Come and cut breast. You are going. Leave her, let her go. Manage your breast. Don't mind her. You can look at somebody I'm telling you to see if you can manage and give her breast, because you are 3 persons in one. Trinity. Yeah. This one is Trinity. Can you imagine?
Ouch.
How can I suffer in the village and come to the city? I will not enjoy my money. Who does that?
Lost track of time.
I know.
Oh,
I didn't want to wake you.
Okay, I have to go now. I'll see you later, okay?
You can't leave now. Someone might see you. Just wait, let me be sure the coast is clear.
Okay. Fast. This lady.
So much, I miss him.
I know, but if you continue like this, you're going to miss both of them. Do you want that? No. Stop crying. Go and feel that. Go and feel that. Stop.
Papa, why are you feeling this way? She has made up her mind. Let her go.
Am I holding her? and let her go as you said. But let me see how she will have my blessing.
Ulama! What are you doing here now, eh? You should be helping me dress up. Today is my day. Don't even get me started, Bikokwa. I don't want to get angry today. What? You're concerned about my father? If Papa likes, let him squeeze his face. I don't care. My bride price has been paid and I'm leaving for my husband's house today. Here. Please, let's go, Biko.
Okay, let's go. Let us wife in town.
Oh, well, we shall see. We shall see. If only I knew that you will be this stubborn, I wouldn't have allowed my wife to die for you to live. Ha!
Oh, no. We are ready to leave.
Uh-huh. You can go now. Why? What are you disturbing me?
It's okay, oh no. But please, let your daughter go. She has made up her mind. Oh no.
This man, leave me now. Leave me and go. I said you go. Go.
It is all right. We shall come back to see you.
When Bianca, you have been longing for this power. When Bianca, you are so desperate for this power. When Bianca, what a desperate queen. When Bianca, wicked queen. When Bianca, selfish queen. When Bianca.
Thank you, my love. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Well, I want to say a very big thank you to you, my elders, for this feat that you accomplished today. Thank you so very much. Now, let the celebration begin.
Oh, yes.
Let's go.
Come on, open the door for me.
Who is that?
It's me, your darling. Come on, open the door, my darling. Hey! How about a kilometer?
What are you doing here, Ebuka? Where are your girls? Please go back and be with them. Go back and be with them! Nonsense.
What is this now? Open the door for me. What do you mean by go back and be with them? Be with who?
Open the door how? See, this is my house, or is it your house? You can't force me to do what you want. So go back and enjoy your company, okay? Go back and be with them. Rubbish.
Why are you doing this thing now?
Do what?
This thing.
Oh yeah, open the door, let me see now. Open the door.
Stop this thing now. Stop this thing. Are you not my darling again? Eh? Rubbish. That's why I'm here. Open the Go and bring the key, open the door, please. What's this? Go wait, before I'm waiting for you. Anytime I come back to this house, you'll be quarreling me like this. What did I do? Am I the first to do kilometer with girls? Come on, kilometer. I did last night. I will not have peace again. Open the door, Joe.
You think I'm joking? Take your bag. Get lost. Nonsense. Let me see you anywhere around here.
Tonya.
You think I'm laughing at me?
Tonya.
You think I'm joking?
You mean here? She locked the door, threw my bag out. Eh? You threw my bag outside. As when. Here. Because of kilometer of last night. You threw me out. It's alright. Huh. But I'm not going anywhere. I have come. I'm not living here. Here. What that? As when. Huh? You brought me to the city. I'm not living here. Open this door. Open this door.
Where is it? Where is the document? The kindred land document is in my care. Where is it?
Document? I don't know.
You don't know? Eh? You better start talking before I change it for you. That document has been in this house for years now. Oh, where did your husband get the money he left for you before he died? Eh? Oh. Okay. Both of you planned it. It was your plan, huh?
Planned what again, Mwabeze? We didn't plan anything. Mwabeze, have you forgotten that I've been at the hospital all through? And when I came back, I saw the written note he left behind and the money was gone.